So I just want to show the decision support HTML file that exists for the flowsheets and health tracker, uh, but has been requested to also display within the measurement section, so in that way there's continuity of that decision support for where those measurements are displaying, since those are three main entry points. Okay. So if we go here and we look at the health tracker, it'll kind of give you a look at it. So what I did was on this INR, I added in the file into the XML, and so then it displays. So now what we want is say there was smoking, a smoking flow sheet, but we want it to also decision support file display within the measurements. So say we have smoking here. Okay, so there's not one set up here. So then what I did was I added it in so you can select from the available ones. So you go here, and then you can select which ones are available. So now what I did was I did a custom one that's very basic, but so see now I've added it. I'm just going to press done, and go back to here, and go back to smoking, and now what it's done is added in that HTML. So now just to show you, if I go back and edit it, so I'm going to remove it now because there's one already associated with it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show that INR one, which is so you see how they change dynamically. So that is based on the selection. So that selection will be based on, it will affect everybody, same as the measurement groups. Whenever you add or remove a measurement type in the group, but now this will give them the opportunity to be able to customize it. So, and when they add in the property that's in the background that already exists, it'll look, if they store a file in there, which it's easier to drop one in there. You don't need to restart the system. You can just drop a file in there, and then we can add in some further decision support type tools like this for these different measurement groups.